Do you want to know how you can buy and sell on MetaTrader 5? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to How to Use Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can buy and sell on MetaTrader 5. Let's go ahead and start the video. Go ahead and open MetaTrader 5 on your PC. Make sure that you are logged into your demo account or your account. Now, you can see some symbols over here. If you want to buy and sell these symbols, go ahead and right click on it and click on New Order. It will open this page. You can change the deviation, the stop loss, the take profit, the type, and you can click Buy. After you click Buy, the product will be bought and you can also change it to sell. So you can see that it will instantly be sold. Then, if you want to buy that again, what you need to do is click OK. Go ahead and right click on it, go to New Order and select your profit or your stop loss, your volume, and you can see Buy option. So we already sold it. Now to buy it, you can click Buy. As you can see, the invalid is being shown, so you can go ahead and keep it to default as well. So go ahead and select it and keep it to default, click Buy, and in a while you can see that if you click Accept, the order will be placed and you can buy this product. So guys, this is how you buy and sell on your MetaTrader 5. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.